I'ma head out then. Before you let somebody else play.
Oh yeah. Just let me know. I'm walking the line right now.
Okay, I figured y'all were doing some judging and stuff.
Yeah, it's hard right now.
Yeah.
I think we get out.
Okay, we get together. All right, y'all. Yeah.
Are they judging?
Yeah, that's what they were doing. Walking around.
Ain't nobody judging my stuff.
Yeah.
What's going on, man?
What's man? Can't play. How you been?
Chilling.
Yeah, she a bad bitch, super duper bitch. Choke herself, catch a breath and then swallow that dick. That dick nasty.
This thing still perform on it, man.
Yeah, I'll play you one more.
Okay. 15. Man, that thing cutting up, man.
I appreciate it.
Man, let them know what you got in here, man.
I got 4 Sundown U15 subs, and then I got 2 HKO Hooligan 5Ks on the 43.5 skip bank on a Megman 240 alternator. I got the CES 320 in the trunk. I just haven't put it in. They sent it to me and the plug broke the day before Ruckus. So I got what I got for right now. That's why they're getting so hot so fast.
If it works too smooth, we gotta be nervous. It gotta be.
158.9 at 35 on Outlaw. That's what I scored with it. So I don't burp it. I just demo it.
You just have fun with it.
Oh yeah.
That's the main thing, really. Who did your
SDK Enclosure built the box? Yeah. You seen it at Slam, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, I did. Yeah. So everything pretty much still the same. Everything playing.
Everything other than the doors. And a fan and a different amp rack. I've done the amp rack a little different. I would have a different alternator for the show, but it is what it is.
Hey, but it's still playing though.
It's playing. It stinks, but it's playing.
let them know where you like to find you at.
TJ Childress 3 on TikTok. TJ Childress on Facebook. TJ Childress 3 on Snapchat. That's about it.
Okay, I'll be sure to tag them down below.
Hey,
it was good seeing you, man.
Check that truck out when you get the chance.
Yeah, that's where I'm headed to, right over here. I think I forgot a few of y'all team members down there. I gotta go get them.
Yeah, for sure. All right.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right. Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.